Well, guys, my wife told me, said there's a big long package on the porch out here, and this is the awning for the side of the bus, and maybe really cool, or maybe the biggest mistake I've ever made, but got it from TEMU, and it was $88 with free shipping. It says that it's 8 feet wide and 10.5 feet long. So today I'm going to see if I can get it open and take a look at it and get it installed. So far, looks pretty nice. It's got this rail across the back. It's all aluminum extrusion, and it's got this cover. It's like it's almost like a rubbery thick canvas thing. So I'm going to open it up, and supposedly some hardware in here that I'll be able to attach to the vehicle, and we'll see what's in there. Guys, so far, looks like a pretty nice thick material. It's got its ropes with it to hold it in place. Looks like the stakes for tents, but there's also some nuts and bolts in here, so I'll get that opened up and take a look at it. The rope on that side. These pretty heavy-duty brackets to mount on the vehicle. And yeah, for $80, I'm pretty happy with it. Let's see how it looks when it gets on the bus. In the packet that came with it, more brackets, some nice hardware. Man, we got a 10, a 13 wrench, a couple of them, and some really heavy-duty tent stakes. So that's pretty cool. Rack off the bus. I think what I'm going to do is just center these and through bolt it. That way I know that it's going to stay on tight. I was thinking about welding it, but man, I've welded enough to this rack. I don't know. I may still weld it. Let me think about it. Nope, the welder won. Got the paint drying on right now. I hit them on both sides in the back, and then I did them like almost like spot welds on those. So that should hold it on. Just threw some shaky can on there, let it dry, and then I'll come back and put the awning on. That ain't bad at all. Okay, let me get it all put up and see. I'll show you what it looks like then. Looks pretty good. And I ended up having to move these. I screwed up and welded my deals on where they previously were, so I just scooted them back a bar, so they'll work just fine. Did the same thing on the front side, so a little further forward than it used to be, but that's okay. I still get my spotlight wired in, but it's looking good.